Hey editor, on January 12th, Airrack posted a video to his 17 million subscribers that went viral for all the wrong reasons. Viewers said things like, "This editing made me nauseous," and "It's like a TikTok made love to a seizure." The video averaged 67 cuts per minute, more than one every second. But the real problem wasn't the fast cuts. It was something deeper that almost every editor misses. And I've been there too. I've spent nights obsessing over every frame, every beat drop, convinced this one will finally click, only to upload it and watch the graph nosedive like no one cared. You start questioning if maybe you're just not cut out for this. When I studied Airrack's pacing, I realized it wasn't just chaotic, it was emotionally hollow. A few days later, Airrack reached out to me personally. He offered me $100K to help fix the problem. I couldn't take it because of my schedule, but I helped him find one of my students instead. And that's when it clicked. This wasn't just one bad edit. It was a wake-up call for every editor who thinks technical perfection equals emotional impact. Now, once I broke it down, 3 patterns kept showing up, and they'll change the way you edit forever. Here's what I found. Number 1, more cuts don't mean more energy. True pacing isn't about speed. It's about rhythm and how efficiently you deliver information. The brain needs micropauses to recover, or else viewer emotion flatlines. Number 2, loudness doesn't equal intensity. If everything peaks, nothing stands out. See? Silence and contrast are what make emotion hit harder. Number 3, forced emotion breaks trust. The second a viewer senses that the edit is trying too hard to make them feel something, the connection dies. Real engagement comes from authenticity, letting moments breathe long enough for emotion to earn its impact. Those 3 lessons are why so many editors can't land high-value clients, because clients buy emotion, not edits. You don't fix retention by doing more. You fix it by understanding what the brain actually feels while watching. If you want to learn the deeper psychology that helped my students get noticed by creators like Airrack and Will Tennyson, that's exactly what I teach inside Elite Editor Academy. It's where you'll finally see what makes a viewer's brain say, "I just can't click away." Y'all have a good one.